Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I've got a report on the raffle. Man, it's been a long week. I'm gonna work about 2 hours earlier just to make sure I got enough time to do some video, to do what I gotta do while I'm still in the shop, and then take care of everything else that's been coming in. With these real boxes that are coming in, we're swamped, so gotta do it though. All right, so with the tickets, we've got 76 tickets sold. We have also got donations on top of that. That puts us at $1,010 so far is what we've raised, with obviously with the ticket sales and the donations that people are giving us. You gotta remember though, through the Cash App, you gotta put in the note your cell phone number so we know who to contact. We've got a couple guys that are new to the Cash App and have sent the money, but they forgot to put their cell phone numbers. I need your cell phone number so that way when you do win, we know who to call. I mean, and that's also another part of the verification process. It allows me to verify who you are pretty quickly, besides the other two things I do. So what are they? Well, you gotta win to find out. So again, you know, everybody that has come through and claimed their prize has been pretty ecstatic. We've already given away 4 MXL Raptors that have been picked up physically. The other two, one of them, he upgraded to a left-handed MXL Raptor that he wanted a certain color, because obviously they come in silver. If you want another color, you have to pay a little bit more. So what we did was, instead of well, he still wanted the gear too, so I offered to, you know, instead of the gear, to pay for the upgrades. And he was like, no, I still want the gear because he shark fishes on the East Coast. So he's already got the rod. We're just waiting for the reel to come in because obviously we got to spool it.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
So once we get it in and get it spooled, I'll be showing you all that video. And I've been spooling a lot of reels, but I haven't been doing any video. And the reason for it is because my gimbal, y'all saw where it broke a few videos ago. I've been waiting for a new one to come in. It was supposed to come in yesterday. So it's kind of unmotivated me to do videos because it's trying hard to position this camera to do the videos, but I've pulling it through slowly. It's trying to get out of this funk of not having my gimbal to get the right angle and stuff, and this, and I have it all bungee cord or with rubber bands on my old tripod and stuff like that too. So it's kind of, yeah, making it work, guys, just doing what I can. So but real quick, I got an unboxing video. We got a box of avets that did come in yesterday afternoon, but I was out back pouring lead, and then I also had to leave early for my daughter's birthday party. So yes, we're gonna have let's see what we got. All right, let's see what we got here. So we've got some more Avid Reel catalogs and another sticker and our invoice. All right. So we've got an HXW, and it's a red one. Very nice. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Yeah. gotta go fishing, guys. Crazy here. Got a lot of orders coming through and nuts. That would not have been good. Oh, got a 50 in house. Ain't had one in a while come through. Ooh, a nice red one. Yes. Oh. So, we got music to my ears, but it's so painful right now because I can't even go fishing. Yep. A lot of people think, oh, you have your own business. Everything is crazy. It's easy. Oh, if they only knew. So, all right, guys. Listen, I'm giving a shout out to all the entrepreneurs that are out there with small businesses starting up and fighting through this coronavirus stuff and making it through. Those that are still closed or still haven't opened back up, man, I feel for you. I really do. Oh my, I literally had come to terms too, several weeks ago that, I'm not gonna make it. If things continue on the way they're going, I can't pull another week. It was almost like 8 weeks of just dead. It was nobody walking in. If somebody did walk in, it would be one small sale for the week. And so obviously no shop can survive on that. So it was pretty scary. And and it's crazy. I've hit this wall several times, and in the last 5-6 years, you hit one, and it's just a wall. Can't get through it, can't get around it or whatever. And I just said a prayer and left it up to him. That was whatever his decision was. I was going to accept it and move on and grow from it. And we're here. So obviously we are on the right path, and I'm definitely going to keep trucking along, keep sharing our knowledge, oh man, it's amazing. It really is, the amount of people that are coming in because of the YouTube channel, the people that are watching in all kinds of countries. We've got guys in Australia. What's up, guys? South America, Italy, Europe, China, Japan, South America. We got guys up in Canada. It's pretty awesome to know that you've got the attention of a bunch of people all over the world. And again, like I said, without y'all, I would not be doing this on a daily basis and much more than 2 or 3 times a day of shooting a video and recording what I can to get y'all the information of what we're doing here in Corpus Christi, Texas. So again, thank you very much. That's the motivation that keeps me going. I mean, besides doing it for my family, my kids. I mean, obviously that's number one. But it does help when people are counting on you. People are waiting for that next video you're going to put out, or the next piece of knowledge that I'm going to share and stuff like that. And like I said, I can't go fishing all the time, but it is coming. I mean, I know we're going to get caught up here pretty quick. We've hired on a few more hands, and we're showing them how to work the shop and stuff like that. And again, too, even for my customers that come in, I don't allow my workers to come and talk to y'all. If they haven't been fishing, they don't know what they're talking about, just to fill a spot. I'd rather keep the shop closed than allow my workers to come up here and talk to y'all. Jeff's pretty much the only one out of my workers that has fished with me more than 50, 60 times and knows what he's talking about, because I've trained him, through step-by-step on spooling, on knot tying, and this and that. And then he knows too, if he has any questions, he doesn't guess, he doesn't assume. He calls me, hey, I ran into this, you know, can you, you know. So as I'm teaching him, he's teaching the customers. So, you know, he's been soaking up a wealth of knowledge. So again, too, if y'all call in and I'm not here, please talk with Jeff. You know, there's a lot of things. Yes, he knows what he's doing. He knows how to get you the answer. And if not, he will call me, you know. So don't ever feel like it's just somebody that's here taking up space. No, he works here. He knows what he's doing. He helps me pour the weights. He's on it. All right. So, you know, gotta listen to him. You know, he knows what's up. And like I said, and if he doesn't, he ain't gonna try and sugarcoat and, you know, just try to get a sell through. He's gonna call me. So don't feel bad, guys. You know, if I'm not here, trust me, I want to be here, but at the same time, I've got to go do errands and I got to do this. I don't want y'all to feel like I'm ignoring y'all, but Jeff can handle it. And if not, he can get to me directly really quick and then he can call you back. So, you know, deal with Jeff. You know, if he answers, don't feel bad. Get it done and we'll get it set up. So again, guys, drawing is still going on. It's 305. That's it. That's all we're doing. It's 305 tickets and we're going to cut it off. We've already got, like I said, 76 tickets, I think I said at the beginning of the video, have already sold. So once it goes, it goes. And hopefully we can get this drawing done by like Friday or even Thursday so y'all can be here for Friday to come pick up y'all's gifts. Because yes, I do the drawings live on my channel and it's usually after 6 o'clock. And the reason for that is because that's pretty much most of the time that everybody here locally is in, you know, getting out of work or something like that. But everybody that's in other countries and stuff like that, you know, they stay up late to watch us or get up real early to watch us. I'm very, very happy. So let's get it done, guys. We want to get them set up. I definitely got a report that she's doing a lot better. So again, you know, I know it's been really, really tough on them. They're getting a lot of support from the fishing community, and you know, we want to show them a lot of support. You know, because it's an awesome thing to see the fishing communities come together. And no matter what, you know, he's a shark fisherman. Yeah, we got guys up in the freshwater guys, and you know, the deep saltwater guys. They're all, hey, no, we'll help out. We'll help out because you know, fishing brings us together. You know, it's a way to feed our families. It's a way for us to get some saltwater therapy. It's a way for us to just break away and, you know, get away from life, but I'm saying live life because, you know, it's an awesome thing to go fishing. And if y'all haven't gone fishing yet and are getting into it, welcome to the channel, you know. Also too, please, when you make a comment, please say what video it's from, put a little reference, because when I go through my comments, it gives me a little thumbnail and I can't see what half the time it is because it's so little. I mean, you think the thumbnail is little when it's on your phone. When it comes through for me, it's about that little and it has your comment there. So most of the time, if it's a fresh video, then okay, cool. But if it's already a week or two old, I've probably posted 30, 40, sometimes 50 videos since then. So please put a reference, it's to this or whatever. And you know, I'll definitely get you answered and keep us growing. So yes, let's keep it going. Let's keep going. All right, I gotta get to work. I've been lollygagging for a little too long.